PC Motorsports. We're going to be doing a little bit different type of video. It's kind of an overview, Q&A type thing. We've had quite a few questions on our LED tail light install video for the Can-Am Outlanders, which it goes for the Can-Am Outlander, Can-Am Renegades, I believe the older Mavericks, the smaller ones. They also fit that too. But anyway, let's get into it. The taillights that we had originally installed onto our personal quad, we got them off of Amazon, I believe. I could be wrong, because I know we were looking at some on eBay also. So it's one of the two. We got them and we realized that they didn't come with instructions. The packaging was poor, and we decided that we could do a little bit better, and we ended up ordering from a Chinese manufacturer that I'm assuming the other companies on eBay and Amazon, I'm assuming they get them from probably the same place. It's one of the few places that we found that actually make them. We ordered 25 or so for our first batch. It was going really well. We didn't have any issues with our first few sales. People were happy with them. Then once the ball started rolling and we got a dealer, we sent them out, and they ran into defect issues. Obviously, because our manufacturer was in China, we couldn't do quality control because we can't go in and check everything for ourselves. We ended up having to get those taillights back because there's nothing we could do to fix it. And we contacted our manufacturer. Our manufacturer wanted nothing to do with us. They wouldn't respond. And since then, we show on the YouTube video, obviously, how to install them. But no, we don't offer them anymore. I think the companies that are on Amazon and eBay, they still offer them. But what they don't tell you is the OEM taillights, they come with the O-ring where the connector and the taillight lock. And our taillights and the ones from Amazon or whatever, eBay, they don't come with that O-ring. So we said to take precautions, you could use dielectric grease, which is, it repels water, or you could use a silicone RTV type of sealant where that lock connects into the taillight so that you won't be getting any moisture buildup when you're out riding in the mud, snow, water, whatever. These are brand new out of the box. This is one of our defective sets. This is just a little Tupperware container filled, 3/4 of the way up with water. You shouldn't have any leaks other than that if you do the RTV. Well, when you find a defective set, you go ahead and you take it like this, and you don't dip it all the way under, obviously, because if it goes in the hole without the lock, it's gonna get wet either way. But when you dip it like this, you'll realize that there's water buildup here in the inside. And it's coming from either this outside ring right here or, one of the molding points. So that's one way you can check for defects. And if you are gonna order off of Amazon or eBay, we highly recommend that you take the precautions against for one, the O-ring part where it locks, and you use RTV or something similar, or possibly even use the O-ring and then put a small amount of RTV also. But that's the issues that we've had, and that's why we no longer sell them, because we want to sell the best quality products possible. And when the manufacturer didn't want to work with us at all to fix the issue, there's nothing you can really do. So again, this is kind of just a video on, we wanted to let you guys know what's going on, because we've had people ask, where do we buy them? you can buy them on Amazon, eBay, but they're not our products. They're probably very similar, like I said, but they're not our products. We've had people ask, have you had any issues? Any update on how these are holding up? Looking to order some, but not good reviews on Amazon. So this is kind of our review video. If you do order them on Amazon, we highly recommend, before you even install them, you do that dip test, and you will see that there will be build up in the inside of the lens if it's defective. That's just when you dip this front piece down in like this, okay, into the water, you'll see buildup right in here. And other than that, you know, they're awesome taillights. They look great, but that's the biggest downfall. And we just wanted to let you guys know. So like, comment, subscribe, and hope this was helpful. We love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for all your support. Check out our website. We do offer other stuff other than, you know, we don't offer these taillights anymore. But again, thank you.